Ever uploaded a podcast episode only to realize it's a blooper reel or a total dud? Let's talk about tidying up your podcast. How specifically? Deleting those unpublished files in Buzzsprout before they ever see the light of day. First, head over to your Buzzsprout dashboard and click on Episodes. This is where you'll find all your uploaded audio files, both published and unpublished. Directly beneath your Episodes tab you will now see Unpublished. These are the files that are waiting to be edited, scheduled, or potentially deleted. Carefully review the files listed here. Look for episodes that you no longer need or were uploaded by mistake. Next to each unpublished episode, there are 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots. This action will expose further options for that specific file. A menu will pop up with various choices: edit, schedule, and delete. To get rid of the unwanted file, select delete. You'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Buzzsprout wants to make sure you really mean it. Carefully read the prompt, and if that's the file you want to remove, click delete file. Your unused file will be gone forever. And that's it. Your Buzzsprout account is a little cleaner, and your podcast feed remains polished and professional. Keep those unpublished files organized to save yourself time and ensure your podcast is always on point.